Hi friends, Sam here with Happily Hooked. So today I just wanted to show you real quick how to do a slip stitch. So we have our chain built out here, and all you do for your slip stitch is we're going to insert our hook into the stitch. We're going to put our yarn over the hook and pull it through, and then we pull it through the loop that was on our hook. So we have a loop here on our hook. We go into this stitch and pull a loop up and then pull another through the loop that was on your hook. So into the stitch, put your yarn over your hook, through the stitch and through the loop on your hook. And you just keep doing that for as long as the pattern says, until you get to the end, and then you'll have a row of slip stitches. It's a little bit tricky if your yarn is a little too tight, so try to keep your tension a little bit looser when you're working slip stitches, but they're so pretty and I love how simple they are. So we have our last one, and then we just did a chain one, and now we have a row of slip stitches.